This is why you need a clutter-free desk. Ever feel like your desk is more of a disaster zone than a workspace? Let's fix that in minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to declutter and organize your workspace. Step 1. Clear everything off your desk. Start with a clean slate by removing all items and giving your desk a good wipe down. Step 2. Sort and categorize your items. Group similar items together like office supplies, documents, and personal items. Step 3. Use organizers and storage solutions. Invest in desk organizers, file folders, and storage bins to keep everything in its place. Here's a look at my desk before and after organizing. You can see how much more space I have now. Pro tip: use cable management solutions to keep your cords tidy and out of sight. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. How do you keep your workspace organized? Share your tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember,